try something new. He did it blindfolded. Alright folks, on behalf of this flight crew at Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to our home base, Chicago Midway. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your seat back and tray tables in the full upright lock position, all your carry-on items stowed. Once the captain has brought this aircraft to the gate into a complete halt, you turn off that fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular functions on your cell phones, as long as they are in reach, but keep your carry-on stowed. If you are connecting to another Southwest flight, if you're going to Atlanta or West Palm Beach, your flight is out of Bravo 7, Las Vegas, Bravo 1, Nashville, Bravo 22, Tampa, Bravo 14, Sacramento, Bravo 2. But please, check the TV monitor for your flight and gate numbers. If you are continuing on to Minneapolis, this is your aircraft, so please remain seated while the local passengers deplane. Well, okay, this aircraft is, everyone will be getting off. But again, then if you're connecting to another Southwest flight, please check the TV monitors for your gate of flight numbers. If you're connecting to another airline, we don't care. We care about you. Alright folks, it's been a pleasure spending part of our day with you. We know you have many choices when you choose your airlines. And no one loves your money, I mean business, better than us here at Southwest Airlines. So guys, have a great week, buckle up, drive safe, treat each other kind, come back and see us again. Next time you want to book that next flight on Southwest, please visit southwest.com for low fares, hotels, and car rentals. We also have reached new destinations in the Caribbean, Punta Cana, Puerto Vallarta, Aruba, Cancun, Belize, Montego Bay, Amen. So, we'd love to see you visiting one of those destinations. And again, welcome to Chicago Midway. Have a great evening.